Hello, Mrs. T. I caught you with your mouth full.
Sorry.
Yeah. Listen, time for the SIMBA. Yeah, so we're going to give it a go, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're really quite hopeful about this one because our daughter's got one. And we've stayed at their house several times and found it really, really comfortable. So we're going to share with you the SIMBA, the mattress in the box, unpacking it in this tiny room.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's not a standard type bedroom. This is a static caravan. Okay, so and we're setting this SIMBA up in the static caravan. King size bed, trying to squeeze something big into something small. Anyway, I'm talking about I'm talking about the mattress into trying to get that into this tiny bedroom in our static. So here we are. It is going to be fun. So here we go. Mattress in a box. If you haven't seen one, this is how they're delivered. And we're going to unpack it and show you how easy it is. And then hopefully you can share all the knowledge with us. Or we can share all the knowledge with you guys. So if you are considering getting one of these, then this is it. This is SIMBA. Now this is the hybrid, isn't it? If I remember correctly, does it say on the label there? What does it say on that label?
TF Hybrid UK. So yes, it's a hybrid.
Yeah, TF Hybrid. So this is the SIMBA hybrid mattress.
To be honest, they're not cheap.
No, they're not.
They're not cheap at all. And I was looking at them all, and this one was on special offer. I think it was about 40% offer over at Easter time. They're usually over £1,000, but this one was something like $699, if I remember.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
No, 659.90. 659. It was £670.
Yeah.
All bar a pound with delivery, wasn't
That's
it?
right. And,
Yeah.
and the reason why I got this
I'll
one...
just sit here and watch you unpack
yeah,
this.
No, this is how easy it is, apparently. Yeah, so the reason why I got this one was because the other one, you know, is quite expensive, and this one's sort of like in our second home, which is our static caravan. So that's it. That's what it looks like when it comes in. So, and apparently now it's got a little piece here, look, for me to just cut.
What's that say on there? It says...
That bit's handles for rotation only, a two-person lift.
Okay, so I've just made you do it all on your own.
Yeah, well, that's fair enough. And that is literally it. It's all round into that. So a king-size mattress is going to be born.
I have visions, you know, of us cutting this open and it's going to fill the room up like a big blow-up inflatable bouncy castle.
Oh, dear.
Okay. So where do you cut? Do you cut?
I would imagine...
Well, no, it says cut here.
Yeah,
so...
but I don't think you could cut there.
Well, no, you have to. I suppose you just cut along here, do you? And then just carry on the line.
I don't know, because I don't want to... Oh, well, let me try it there. Look, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Are you ready?
Make sure, obviously, you don't cut the mattress.
Yeah, because that would be a bit silly, wouldn't it? That's why I was thinking... Oh.
I suppose it's better to do it with scissors rather than a sharp knife, otherwise you will cut the mattress.
Yeah. I'm trying desperately not to get in there.
Right, shall we swap positions?
No.
No? You want to be on top there?
I always want to be on top.
Mrs. T.
Yes?
Look at me. That was naughty.
Sorry.
I was just going to titter now. Right, are you going to... This is not going to smack you in the face, is it?
I don't know.
Because it's going to go...
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
It's in half. That's
it's
clever.
In half. So you do one bit, then you do another bit.
That's clever, isn't it?
Oh, false sense of security.
Right, so... Hang on. I want to get this bit out.
The cling film.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's it. The stuff that sticks the stuff. That's that there. Right. Now what do we do then?
I suppose you put it out like you would do a normal bed. This is quite easy. So don't get me wrong, lifting the mattress in the box.
That took two.
That's a two-man job, isn't it?
It's not a two-man job.
Isn't it?
It's a two-person job. I'm not a man. I do not even... Never mind.
Well, that put me in the place, didn't it? So do you know what you're doing now? Are you doing it correctly?
I don't know. I'm just going to... Seems to me like it's making its it's growing already inside. What?
No, nothing. No, I'm not.
Well, most mattresses that you get...
Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, so it's most probably... Oh, right, okay.
Yes, it's growing itself inside anyway.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, that was simple. I thought it was going to
Perfect.
be... I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult than that.
Now, they say to leave it 6 hours, don't they? Before you get into it. So we're going to go out for a meal and come back, but...
It's nice. I suppose it continues growing while we're out.
Yeah.
Well, that's Simba. Now then, hang on a minute. Can I lie on it yet?
If you want to, yeah. I mean, it won't be all you know...
No, but I tell you what, that's really good because the other mattress that was on this bed when, obviously used with the caravan, it was like a bouncy castle.
Yes, it was. The weight transferring, whatever it is,
Yeah.
it was very bouncy. So
Very
if I, like, coughed, you bounced.
Well, I woke up.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Exactly.
So, okay.
Let's go about those handles. It's something about handles, didn't it? I haven't seen any handles.
Shall we pause it so I can help you get the bag from underneath it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Actually, if I just...
So,
Yes.
we've taken the plastic off it.
Yep.
It's in position.
It's got a zip look that you can actually take this off, I suppose, if you wanted to.
I suppose take the whole cover off.
Yeah, and you could wash it if you wanted
Yeah.
to. Oh,
There you go, there's all the different
layers and stuff in
layers
there.
and stuff. But it's, yeah, it is a
Memory foam big thing,
memory
isn't it?
foam thick sort of mattress.
And it's supposed to be breathable and all sorts. I think the more expensive versions have got springs in them as well. But we don't need the springs. Because as I say, our daughter had the SIMBA and it's a perfectly comfortable night's sleep. So yeah, that's that.
So that's that. So we'll leave it there.
And then
We'll go out for a meal. And then we're going to come back, make the bed and fall in and have a snooze, no doubt.
yeah,
Won't we?
yeah. So that's it. That's how easy it is to unpack a SIMBA mattress.
Now then, I want to do one more thing.
What?
Okay?
What?
So I'm just going to put it on pause and then we're going to surprise everybody
Are we?
after this.
Are we?
So that's it. I hope you found that of interest. Just wanted to share that with you about the mattress. So please, give us a thumbs up if you found that of interest. If you're looking for one of these mattresses, then obviously that's what it's all about. That's how you unpack it. And that's what a mattress is like in a box. Hit that red button and subscribe, because the more of you that subscribe, the more of these things that we can bring you. So that's it. Thanks for everybody for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed our SIMBA mattress vlog.